Welcome to the Inverter Cool channel. Today we're exploring the question, how do I know if a ducted heat pump is best for my home? Many people assume that all home heating and cooling systems are alike, but that's not always the case. Some homes have heating systems without cooling capabilities. If your home has both heating and cooling, it likely uses ducts. You can identify ducts by looking for air outlets around your home. In warmer climates, vents are usually in the ceiling, while in other homes, they might be in the floor, or less commonly, in the walls. Once you've confirmed that your home has ducts, the next step is to determine if you have a gas furnace. If you don't receive a gas bill, you probably have an electric furnace. A higher gas bill during heating months indicates that you likely have a gas furnace. Historically, gas furnaces have been cheaper to operate than heat pumps. However, with the advent of inverter compressors, this has changed. These compressors adjust their speed to match outdoor conditions, unlike older heat pumps that were either on or off. Inverter compressors can ramp up or down smoothly, avoiding the clunk sound of older models and maintaining efficiency even in very low temperatures. Modern inverter heat pumps are as cost-effective, if not more so, than the most efficient gas furnaces. This makes it worth considering replacing your gas furnace with an inverter heat pump. Alternatively, you can keep your gas furnace and use an inverter heat pump as a backup for heating, while enjoying quiet and efficient cooling during the summer. The best way to explore your options is to consult our professional contractors who can provide expert advice tailored to your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Inverter Cool channel.